Look, the little kitten has a lizard. How adorable is this? He has captured a little lizard. He's just flickering and playing with him. He's got him good. He's got the lizard good. He's caught the lizard in his mouth. He's going to torture it for days and hours. Come here. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. He's going away with the lizard. He's going back into his cubby. I see him with the lizard. Look at him. You can see his cute littleness with the lizard. He has the lizard within his grasp. The lizard will not make it out alive.